Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Instacart for business or bulk grocery order. Let's get started. First, open the Instacart app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on Profile at the top of your screen. Then tap on Settings. After that, tap on Become a Shopper. For business use, you can add your business name and delivery address. Now enter your delivery location. Instacart will show nearby stores like grocery store, wholesale stores, and office supply stores. Choose a store, then start adding items to your cart. For bulk orders, you can increase quantity easily. Go back to the home page and start adding your item. You can increase quantities easily. Just tap the plus button to add more of the same item. This is great for office snacks, drinks, cleaning supplies, or even food. As you shop, Instacart shows the estimated total cost. When you are ready, go to checkout. At checkout, you can choose the delivery time, add delivery instruction, and tip for the shopper. You can also add a business payment method like a debit card, credit card, or approved business card. Review your order carefully, then place the order. And that's it. That's how to use Instacart for business or bulk grocery orders. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.